Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on Honor 90 Lite into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to the your search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your search engine. And now click on three dots icon, go to settings, now click on search engine, and now in recently visited you should have yep.com. And now if you go back, you can see that my search engine is set to yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.